to Groups Master. This is Group 1 Mains 2023 Science and Technology Question Paper Discussion. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 13th క్వశ్చన్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. దిస్ ఈస్ పార్ట్ 10. ప్రీవియస్ పార్ట్స్ ప్లేలిస్ట్లో ఉంటాయి. ఎవరైనా చూడకపోతే ఒకసారి వెళ్ళి చూడొచ్చు. దిస్ ఈస్ అవర్ అఫీషియల్ వెబ్సైట్ groupsmaster.com. Visit this website for further updates and information. And don't forget to subscribe to Groups Master YouTube channel. 13th A. The most important climate goal is limiting the Earth's warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. What happens to the world if we pass the crucial 1.5 degrees Celsius climate threshold? 10 marks kadigaru. Let us try to answer this question. Passing the crucial 1.5 degrees centigrade climate threshold and allowing Earth's warming to exceed this limit would have significant and wide-ranging consequences for the planet. Let us see what are these consequences. The first consequence is, with a global temperature increase of 1.5 degrees or more, the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events like heat waves, droughts, hurricanes, heavy rainfall events are expected to increase. So these events can often lead to widespread destruction of ecosystems, loss of human life and animal life, displacement of various communities from one region to another region. So this is the first significant consequence. Next consequence is, often the increase in temperatures accelerates melting of glaciers and ice sheets. It can lead to rising sea levels, rising sea levels, and the coastal areas would be at higher risk of inundation, posing a threat to densely populated regions due to sea level rise. And also the sea level rises have negative impacts on low-lying islands and also coastal ecosystems. This would finally result in the loss of habitable land, displacement of populations, and increased vulnerability to storm surges and coastal erosion. Next significant consequence is, higher temperatures associated with climate changes would impact ecosystems and biodiversity. Many species, including coral reefs, tropical forests, Arctic wildlife, are particularly vulnerable to warming beyond 1.5 degrees Celsius. Already the glaciers and ice caps in Arctic regions are melting. Ecosystem disruptions and species extinctions can have far-reaching consequences for ecosystem services, food security, overall health and functioning of the planet. Next important significant consequence is, the temperature increase beyond 1.5 degree would pose significant challenges to global food and water security. Changing climatic conditions, including shifts in rainfall patterns and increased frequency of extreme weather events, would affect crop yields, livestock production, fresh water availability in the particular region. This could lead to food shortages, increased food prices, water scarcity, particularly in the vulnerable regions already struggling with these issues. Next, crossing the 1.5 degrees threshold could trigger the melting of permafrost and release of significant amounts of methane. You already know that methane is a greenhouse gas, so it further accelerates global warming. The consequences of exceeding 1.5 degree threshold could have significant social and economic implications. Social and economic implications in the Chodam. Disruptions to infrastructure, agriculture and ecosystems would impact livelihoods and can increase poverty levels in the society. These are creating challenges to sustainable development. And increased migration and conflicts over limited resources could further strain social systems and create geopolitical tensions in the world. You can conclude this question like this: limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees centigrade as outlined in the Paris Agreement is crucial goal to minimize these risks and protect the planet and its inhabitants from the worst impacts of the climate change. Next, 13th B question. Blockchain technology is the doorway to transforming the agriculture sector in India. Discuss another. So how blockchain technology is transforming the agriculture sector in India anedi ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఒక మెయిన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్. లెట్ us try to answer this question. Blockchain technology has the potential to bring significant transformation to agriculture sector in India. Number of ways the blockchain can benefit agriculture sector in following ways. First way is, the blockchain enables transparency and traceability throughout the agricultural supply chain. So each transaction or the movement of goods can be recorded on the blockchain and creating an immutable and transparent ledger. This transparency helps to ensure the authenticity of the products, mainly GI products, and can track their origin and verify the conditions under which they were produced. Next, blockchain can streamline the process of quality assurance and certification in the agriculture sector. Certificates related to organic farming, fair trade, or specific production practices can be stored on the blockchain, making them easily accessible and verifiable. This enhances trust and credibility in the market, allowing the consumers to make informed choices and rewarding the farmers who adhere to these type of high level standards. Next, blockchain technology can enhance the efficiency of supply chain management in the agriculture. How? By providing real time visibility into the movement of goods, blockchain can help optimize logistics, reduce waste, and minimize delays. Next, smart contracts on the blockchain can automate and enforce the contractual agreements, thereby facilitating seamless transactions between various stakeholders in the supply chain, such as farmers, distributors, processors, and retailers. Blockchain can also help address financial inclusion challenges, especially faced by the small scale farmers. By recording farmers' transaction history, land ownership, production data on the blockchain, financial institutions can have access to reliable and transparent information for assessing the credit worthiness of that farmer. So, this enables farmers to access loans and financial services more easily. Next, blockchain based platforms can also facilitate direct transactions between farmers and buyers. So, it will eliminate the intermediaries and ensuring the fair prices for the farmers. Blockchain technology can also empower farmers by providing them with more control over their data. They connecting them directly with the buyers. So, by eliminating intermediaries in this way, farmers can negotiate better prices and access to broader markets for their products. The use of blockchain in agriculture can also enable better data management and analytics. So, the agricultural data such as weather patterns, soil conditions, crop yields can securely stored and shared on the blockchain. This data can be utilized by the government for predictive analysis and evidence-based decision making. Blockchain platforms can also enable peer-to-peer trading and fostering fair trading practices and creating opportunities for small-scale farmers to participate in the global economy. So thereby, international economy, thereby farmers can get more revenue. So you can conclude this question like this. These are the some ways in which blockchain technology can transform the agriculture sector in India. As the technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of the blockchain in agriculture sector in India. So you can write this question in this way. Here we are concluding this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Groups Master YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.